Just to start by introducing myself, I am Deepti Singh. I am currently the Director of Education Japan. We are the only consultants in India that help students find admissions and education opportunities in Japan. Just want to tell you few facts about Japanese universities. There are some facts about Japanese universities which you will find totally amusing and which make your studies in Japan worthwhile. So, the such fact is the industry tie up. So, most of the Japanese universities, including the ones that we are going to cover today, they have industry tie-ups. What essentially it means that, let's say I am a university, so I will have tie-ups with certain multinational companies. This ensures that my students are given a priority when there is placement. Also, they will be given priority when there are internships and other such opportunities. So, how does it help, for the university to be linked with any company? How does it really help? Uh, Basically, if you are linked with a company, definitely your curriculum is going to be updated. It is going to be on point and market driven. So, whatever requirements are there in the market, those are fulfilled by your curriculum. That is a necessity. I will give you an example. For example, engineering students will find that they will be researching on very updated topics like blockchain technology, or they would be researching on EV batteries, electric vehicle batteries, because these are the latest topics and these are the latest inventions and the need of the market right now. But in some universities, I find that the curriculum is outdated. It's not moving as fast as the demands in the market. So this is one, definitely a plus point that comes with industry tie-ups. Other fact is that these kind of tie-ups also give access to R&D centers. So these students will obviously have, much greater access to better R&D, better R&D facilities. So these universities are frequented by these companies and they do campus placements for them. So these students who graduate from Japanese universities, they are recruited in these companies. So this is a huge plus and a huge differentiator when it comes to Japanese universities. Second fact of Japanese curriculum is Japanese curriculums followed by Japanese universities is the emphasis on practical learning. So these universities, it's not just going to be a bookish curriculum where you sit inside a classroom and it's theoretical, while it is totally the opposite. You will be out there on the field most of the time, and maybe in your lab. There are excellent lab facilities which give you enough opportunity to experiment and gain practical learning experience. There are enough internship opportunities. There is something called capstone projects also in some universities where students, as soon as they enter the third year of their university, they are given opportunities to work with companies. So obviously, these kind of facilitation, this kind of platform where you can work with companies when you are a student, definitely gives a very good boost to your career. And this kind of exposure definitely helps you in your career growth as well as job hunting. You will be networking with these companies all along and more confident of finding greater opportunities. Uh, Third important fact about the curriculum of Japanese universities is learning Japanese as a part of the curriculum. So, as a requirement, you don't need to know any Japanese when you enter the university, but Most of these universities, they teach you Japanese as a part of the curriculum. You don't have to spend extra time learning the language. You will be learning it as you learn any other specialization. So let's say you are studying business there, you will be learning business, and along with that you will be given an opportunity to learn Japanese, and it will be a credit course. It will be counted in credits.
So keep watching the channel for more information on Japanese universities and courses, curriculums, and give a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe to the channel.